In this video, we'll show you how you can transfer your passwords from Google Password Manager to Samsung Pass. So to do this, first head to the Play Store on your Android phone and then download this app called Google Password Manager. Once you have downloaded it, simply open it. Now here you will need to sign in with the Google account from which you want to transfer the password. So as you can see, I've already done that. But if you haven't, you can simply tap on this profile icon to sign in with the Google account. Once you are here, simply go to the settings tab and then tap on this export passwords option and then select export again. Now it will ask you where you want to save the exported passwords file. So simply rename it if you want and then hit save. Once you have exported the file, what you need to do is open the Samsung Wallet app on your Samsung phone. If you don't have it, you can also download it from the Galaxy Store. Simply open this app and then sign in with your Samsung account. Once you have done that, simply tap this three dot icon and then select settings. Now here you will need to tap on this import and export Samsung Pass data. Now in this menu, you will need to select this import data option. Now it will ask you to select the CSV file that you just exported. So simply select that and then hit done. Now this is how it will look. Now select continue to confirm, and as you can see, all the data is now imported. To finally view your password, go to this all tab in the Samsung Wallet app and then go to Samsung Pass. Now here you should see this sign in info. Simply tap here and you should see all your passwords that were transferred from the Google Password Manager. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.